So in my mind, I thought I have already done a voiceover. Guys, I'm pained right now. Yes, this is a voiceover of almost 10 minutes. Like, my God, I'm really pained because this was not my initial voiceover, guys. Whew. Anyways, what will I do? I need to do a repeat of this. But this is so crazy that I would have, talked for 10 minutes and then after trying to listen to what I've said all over, I realized only 2 minutes of it was good. The rest 7 minutes was horrible. I can't even edit it. So I just had to let go. Okay, anyways, so this is a video trying to show you how to do your eye makeup. This is a natural eye makeup for your brows and for your eyeshadow. So this is me doing my brows and my eyeshadow. Yes. Okay, so but first off, let me try to appreciate myself. Let me just use few minutes or few seconds to appreciate the work I'm doing on my skin. Yes, said when a child is doing something good, you need to appreciate so it can do better. So this is me trying to appreciate myself. I'm doing a good job or good work on my skin. So you can see that the skin is really skinning and is glowing. Yes. And I wouldn't say it's 100% glass skin like we call. Yes, well, and I wouldn't say I'm working towards aiming 100%. No, I don't want 100%. Yeah, because anything glass extremely can break. Everything in excess is bad. Yes, I want mine in moderation. I still want to have a touch of skin and a touch of glass. Yeah, you get it. Yes, so that is it. So I think I'm doing well in my skincare journey. And guys, if you like some tips on what I do, you can write me a comment, and then of course I'm going to tell you. I don't hide what I do for my skincare. No, some of them I even share already on some of my videos, so you can go back to watch them. So the main reason for this video is doing my eye makeup. So this is me drawing my eyebrows, and before I started I had to brush my brows, my natural brows, and then I applied some setting powder on it and before I started drawing out and carving the brows. And here I'm trying to conceal to give the shape of the brow I want. Yeah. So normally I like something a bit tiny, but not too tiny. So this time I decided to make it a bit wide, not as tiny as I normally do. Yeah, but I don't like something brows too wide. I don't. So that is why I decided to go for this, and I think it's already giving me what I wanted. So, and one thing I would also say is I think drawing, like trying to sketch out the brows, is not the problem when you want to draw your brows, but I think the main thing is concealing or trying to carve out the shape of the brows. So that is where the real work is, guys. Yes, I think if not for everyone, if not for every makeup artist, maybe for some of us, it's really quite, it takes some time. Not really difficult, but it takes some time to carve the brows. Yeah, especially if you are aiming at a particular, you know, carving. Yes, so guys, you can see how this brows is already looking kind of natural. Yeah, because it is not 100% natural, so that's why I use kind of. Yeah, so if you want to say natural, then it just has to be my brows, but this is also good, not too unnatural. So now going to the other part of the eye makeup, which is the eyeshadow. So I decided to do a cut crease on this video, and not a lot of it, but just a little, because I just wanted a natural look. and I wasn't doing too much, so I just used a light brown and black at the top, and then at the lower where I did the cut crease I just used a silver color, and then one other color, but not really silver, but not too, a kind of pinkish silver, maybe, I don't know what exactly to call it, but not so bright color. So but you will see that for yourself in this video. Yeah, so this is me trying to, you know, do the cut on the areas I want. And guys, this is the concealer I'm using. If you have a eyeshadow primer, you can use it. I think I have but one thing is, I really don't, you know, remember how. I just use what I have close by me whenever I'm doing makeup. Yeah, so just like the tape by the side of the eyes, I have the main tape I was supposed to use for this, but funny enough, I had already applied this and few minutes into the makeup, and I realized, oh, see what I'm, you know, what I already bought to use. But so far I bought the item, I have not touched it, and there are a lot of products like that, or items I have for my makeup that I haven't touched at all. Yes, so I just use the one that is close by, and I don't, you know, stress a lot, as long as it also fulfills the functions or the purpose of what I need it for. Yeah, so that is it. So I'm using the concealer here, and the colors are already combined in this particular part of the eye, and you can see how natural this is already looking. Yeah, so I'm doing the same for the other part, which is giving cuteness and natural. Guys, can you see, like, can you see how it is already giving me the cute look? Yeah, so I said I used the black and brown at the upper part, and then silver and pinkish silver. Yes, kind of. Yeah, so I just wanted something natural for this eye. I don't want excess. Yes, so that is it. And one thing I didn't do in this video is liner. I didn't use the eyeliner and the mascara, because I used that because I did a full video makeup, but I just, you know, wanted to show the main basic, you know, high makeup look. I just want to show a full or detailed video, because when I combine everything it will be too long, and then so I decided to break it down into two, and so that's why I'm bringing this here, so you know, you see this, and there will be a full makeup video maybe in my next post. So just stay tuned and stay glued to my channel. Yeah, so you'll be seeing that soon. So if you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. You know, you need to like, share, and comment. Yes, so in the comment section I'll be always there to respond and, you know, attend to any question as soon as possible, of course. So if you are a new subscriber, you're always welcome to my all in time subscriber, always and forever welcome. And to my potential subscribers, of course, you're always welcome to my channel, and I hope you'll be able, you love those content I create, and I'm sure of course you're going to love them, because I'm sure they're useful, yeah, in every way, in every ramifications. Yeah, so guys, that is that about this video. So if you love this particular natural high makeup, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, so I would do more, you know, because I don't think it's not really easy. You can see me doing a voiceover like how many times before I can finally get one that really works. So thank you for staying tuned, and catch you in my next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.